Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great. So yesterday I did a blunder. Actually, I was saying yesterday was US inflation data, but it was not yesterday. It was today, and many people commented in the comment section. I am extremely sorry and my sincere apologies for that. And today evening, as usual, actually we talked very brief about US inflation, US core inflation month on month, and yearly inflation rate year on year and month on month yesterday's video. And today's video, as I talk to you, we have got inflation data for India, which has come out on a higher level. So if you see this chart, you can understand what is happening in terms of Indian inflation rate year on year is at 5.55%, which is higher than expected. So last time it came out at 4.87, and this time it has come at 5.55%. So what do you think? You think the market is going to come down? Obviously it is going to come down. Actually it has come down, it has started coming down, and in fact even in last two or three trading session I have been saying that the likelihood of market going above 21,000 is very extremely remote, right? And that is what has happened. It is not going to go above 21,000 at least for near future. It may take time. Maybe we have to have a really positive news which is absent, and we will not go above 21,000. That is my perspective, that is my outlook about the market, right? So when inflation data is on the downside, I think market has anticipated this, or market has priced this kind of data this kind of data. That's why we have seen Nifty coming on the downside. Not only Nifty, Banknifty, and in fact today was Nifty expiry. And let me take to the Nifty our terminal, and today we made a profit of around 35,226 rupees. So with that we are at around 7% till this month. We are just halfway. We have another maybe 11 or 12 trading session in this month, so we'll see how things pan out. I'm sure one day or another day there is going to be a big blunder, or the market is going to make two-way, three-way move, and we are going to suffer on this on that day, right? So we are just waiting for the rainy days. We'll see how things work out. Now for now, what I'm thinking is, when Nifty is coming down, when there is a rejection at 21,000, you have to understand smart people are writing huge amount of calls at 21,000 and above. In fact, even when market was at 21,000, we had written huge number of call options. Now it is very evident people are writing huge number of calls at 21,000 and above. So the likelihood of market coming down is very high. And let us see the levels. Okay, so in terms of inflation data that is priced in, so we don't have to worry about inflation data. Let me go to the Nifty chart, right? So this is the Nifty chart, and you can see that we are Bank Nifty, sorry, not Bank Nifty. Nifty tried today's high was around last 3 days. It is been trying to close about 21k, and today's open was around 21,018, just about 21,000, and close was around 21,000, 20,900, and low was around 20,867. Now tomorrow I'm sure we are going to gap down, and this is like probability theory, right? We really don't know how US markets are going to come span out. See, 7 p.m. we are going to have inflation data, in core inflation data month on month, and core inflation data year on year, after which US markets will react. Now as of now, we are saying US market, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green, and even European, I wouldn't say green, it's almost flat, and even European markets are flat. So they are waiting for the US markets to open. Once the US market opens, we'll see how things work out, whether US market is going to open in the red or green is $1 million question. And above that, we'll have to wait and see where it is closing, whether it is closing in the green or whether it is closing in the red is a main question here, right? So we'll have to wait and see till US market closes, and even if it is closing in the red, I have a contra view that even if it is closing in the red, we might not go anywhere below. I'm sure for now we are not going to go anywhere below 20,500. So you can just close your eyes and short some call options. And of course, there's a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. And in terms of Bank Nifty was a very good niche here, and 47,500 is going to be a very very strong resistance. Now you have to understand, all these days we were in uncharted territory, whether it was Nifty or Bank Nifty. Now we are in charted territory, and Nifty is not going to cross about 21,000 for near future. I'm talking about near future. I'm not going to say, or it is not wise to say that Nifty will never cross about 21,000. It is going to cross 21,000, but it is not going to cross 21,000 in the near future. And Bank Nifty is not going to cross above 47,500 in the near future. That is my perspective. At the same time, Bank Nifty is not going to go below anywhere below 46,500, and Nifty is not going to go anywhere below 20,500. That is my perspective. So Bank Nifty is at around 20,900. It is not going to go below 20,500, and Bank Nifty is at around 47,100 levels. It is not going to go below 46,500 levels. So that's our perspective about the market. So we'll see how things pan out, and I'm sure I was see you cannot expect the market to keep on moving in one direction. So we have seen markets, if you see the markets, or if you see historically, markets work on cyclicals, and we were missing cyclicals. That's why I was saying that the markets are likely to come on the downside, and that is what has happened. And I'm sure we should have a consolidation. Then if the market moves on the higher side, it is going to be a very very healthy market. See, you have to have a higher highs, then higher low, then higher high, higher low. If it moves in that way, it is going to be a healthy consolidation and healthy market. You don't expect the market to keep on gapping up, gapping up, gapping up and moving on the higher side, then it is going to fall the same way. So that is not healthy. And who knows, even whatever I'm saying, who knows, even Nifty can break 20,500, or Bank Nifty can break 46,500. By the way, this 20,500 and 40,000, which levels 46,000, right? Let me go to the chart. Yeah, 47,000, 46,500 levels, which are gaps on December 3rd, can be taken out, right? So this is all hypothesis, right? That's what I'm saying. This is all hypothesis, or this is all hypothetical. We cannot say anything. We just can tell our anticipation, or we can tell our perspective, or we can tell our opinion, but there is no necessity, or there is no necessity that it is going to happen. We just can tell what might happen. It might happen, it might not happen. That's a whole different ball game, right? So I hope I have summarized everything, and I can tell you short some call options, so that you can make money, good money in this market. And of course, there's a disclaimer, you'll have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.